Stop complicating your charts. Here's a simple 2-indicator strategy that you can set up in the next 60 seconds. First, open a clean chart on TradingView. Go to the Indicators tab, search for Black Flag FDs, and select the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator. This powerful tool will be our main guide. Next, let's fine-tune the settings. Click the gear icon. In the Inputs tab, change the ATR period to 280 and the ATR factor to 12. This helps filter out market noise. Then, in the Style tab, make sure Plot Backgrounds is enabled. This creates the clear green and red trend ribbon. Now for our confirmation tool. Go back to Indicators and search for RSI Histogram. Add it to your chart. Quickly adjust its settings. Change the RSI length to 14 and the moving average length to 90. This will be our momentum filter. The strategy is simple. For a sell trade, wait for the main ribbon to turn red. Price should pull back to retest the ribbon and then break below it. At that exact moment, the RSI histogram must also be red. That's your signal to enter. For a buy trade, it's the opposite. Wait for a green ribbon. After price retests the ribbon and breaks above, check for a green RSI histogram. That's your entry. This combination helps you trade with the trend and confirm momentum. Backtest it for yourself and see the results.